What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and test of this waterproof case right here. So right now I'm here at the river, so I'm going to unbox this right now for you guys and test it to actually see if it's all up to the waterproof. So guys, I'm going to do an unboxing of the waterproof case right now. As you can see on the case right here, it says that it's IP68. That means this case should be waterproof. So this is for the iPhone X, as you can see right there. I see that waterproof, extreme waterproof, heavy duty, snow proof, it's dirt proof, and it's also shock proof. So I'm going to pull out this right now guys and let you see what's inside. That's the case right there. This is a little strap inside, and this is guys the case. So I'm gonna just test it right now first to see if it's actually waterproof before I put it on my phone. So guys, what I'm going to use right now, I'm gonna get a tissue and I put inside this case right here and put it inside the water to actually see if this have any leakage or anything like that. So basically I'm gonna test it first. So I'm gonna put the tissue inside and I'm going to seal it. Make sure it properly seal. Yes guys, so now I'm going to test it now to see if this actually waterproof. So guys, it's underwater right now and I'm testing out to see if it's actually leaking inside this case right here. So I'm gonna make it wait for a couple of minutes. I think I saw some bubbles right there. I'm not sure if that is any leakage, so I'm squeezing it. So guys, the case is actually off right now. So after a couple of minutes of testing, the tissue is still dry. That means this case actually waterproof. And this is basically a test guide to show you that this case actually all up to its deals. It is definitely IP68. So what I'm going to do right now is to put my phone inside and do some swimming and show you guys the footage of this right here underwater. Yes guys, so right now I'm actually shooting this footage on my GoPro Hero 5. Shout out to Yardman Fishing, my cousin Ruel Thompson, for sending me this GoPro to make this video possible. So right now, as you guys can see, the phone is in the case right now. I'm just gonna do some dive and test this out to see the footage underwater. The time is a bit kind of dark right now, so you might not see some clear footage. So I'm just gonna show you guys exactly the same way of this phone right here underwater. So let's go. Alright guys, so I'm in the camera right now. Camera is up and ready. Just hit and record. So I'm gonna press record right now. Yes guys, so the record is not recording right now, so I'm just gonna dive and see how this all up. Basically I'm still recording on the phone right now, so water is a bit dark. Same way, so I'm just test it again to show you guys some underwater footage some underwater photos and things like that. I'm not sure if you're hearing me right now because the audio on this might not sound as I expected because of the enclosure on this right here, the waterproof case. So I'm not sure if you guys probably hear me clearly. So if not, I'm just gonna do a voiceover so you guys can actually see. Right now they're falling. Alright guys, so this is the case right here in it right now. Right, so what we still do right now, make a dive again and see how well it's perform in water. One more test. Yeah boy, I'm out here. Yes guys, so my phone is out right now and the phone actually dry. Those look watermark is basically from my hand. So yes guys, this case actually worth it. It is IP68 and yes guys, it is waterproof and I basically approve this case. So guys, if you want to purchase one of these cases, I put a link in my description. So actually you guys can purchase one of these. So as always guys, thanks for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful. If this video do, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. As always, thanks for watching. And yes, Yardman Fishing, thanks for sponsoring this video again, for sending me this GoPro. You understand? Really appreciate it. So people always ask me for do. So people always ask me for, just go over my channel. I put a link in my description so you guys can subscribe. So people are asking for is that. So people are asking for, you just click the link in the description and go over my channel and subscribe. You understand? All that good stuff. You understand? Show me some love and tell them say Ackeem Sterling sent to know. You understand? So thanks for watching again guys. Peace out.